The combined weight of occupants and cargo should never exceed 3,277 pounds. Well, we might already be overweight. It's the working title of this video. I said it. I said it in the intro. Clickbait, gotcha. Oh!
We made it. We're gonna boulder.
This is in Hocking Hills.
State Forest.
State Forest. It's mainly bouldering. All right, so let's hit this 0, and then we'll go to that 1, and then we'll go to the triangle.
Okay.
We're climbing.
We're out of practice.
There you go. I don't know if they want you to top out.
Okay.
No problem. Balance on the bottom. Do I just slide off or should I throw a pad? It's fine.
All right.
I just had to hold on. Look at all these holes. I wonder which one I'm gonna pick. Hopefully the one that has the spiders.
About them.
What do you got there?
A camera.
That's a film camera, auto film camera.
Look, I can take a picture of you taking a picture of me.
Leave it there.
Where are you?
I am in a butt crack of rocks. It's actually pretty cool here.
Woo! Hey, test it before you jump on it. Where did you go?
Nice.
Woo! How was it?
Something stung me. Look, these are what you gotta look out for on the wall. These are what's got those nests and those webs.
Oh, they're all in there.
Here it is. The big kahuna goes up, 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 up. And we have 2 pads.
There's no way down. I might go like halfway and then come back down.
Yeah. Rock, I don't think you could have got that leash any further. I chickened out. I cowered out. I didn't make it to the top. I didn't feel good about the holds. I'm not a good climber. Ooh, easy. Hello.
Hi, it is us.
Again, with another pointless video. And here, you'll see the camera go out of focus and remain out of focus. Camera won't focus. Maybe if I was this far away in a wide shot, it would get focus. Hello. So we tried to record earlier when we were still on vacation and it didn't get focus. So everything we said was useless. So we're gonna try again here. Are we gonna focus this time? Look, I have a terrible mustache. It's not focusing. There's something wrong. Yeah, now it's working. I was trying to say I have a very ugly little mustache I left down there. I tried to be like a cowboy and leave scruff and a mustache. I just can't grow it. Like I said, we were trying to record a little video while we were on our family trip about a week ago, and we were going to explain how we were going to try to paint the van and also weigh it.
Because we bought our van used, it came with a few beauty marks, and those beauty marks have slowly been rusting over the last year. So before the snow flies, we want to give the van a little makeover.
Now we've debated on the different ways we could give the van a makeover. Maybe wrapping it, which can get kind of expensive. Even when I have a friend who does it and can give a massive discount. Then we thought, well, if we don't do the whole van, maybe we could just do the portions we need to with like little decals or stripes and things like that. And we'd have to be really creative with the design because they're in random spots.
Yeah. And then we thought, well, you know, can we find like a very affordable way to just get it painted or go to Mexico and get it painted?
We're not gonna get it painted affordably here in the States. And we've heard people sometimes go south of the border to get a better like budget paint job. So then we threw around the idea of the bed liner material, brands like Raptor Liner or Monster Liner. It's a thicker paint, it's textured, it's
durable, and less expensive.
Right,
we can do it ourselves.
Right, there's a lot more margin for error. You don't have to be an amazing sprayer because it's texturized. We realize a textured finish is not gonna be everyone's cup of tea. So if we were to go, say, resell this, you know, in a few months or years or whatever it is, we're gonna minimize our market. And the other factor is the weight. So we thought, well, before we make any definitive decision, we should probably get a total weight on our vehicle thus far.
Which we did.
But before we get to that, we might as well show you what we were trying to show you when the camera went out of focus, our little family vacation we had, and then we'll show you weighing the van. So what can we even show?
Huh? I don't get what's happening. All right.
Look, we're not in the van. Why is that? Well, we're actually in my grandma's old car, now my aunt's car. And we got a bunch of fishing poles in the back, and we're in Ohio on a family vacation, and we're on our way to a reservoir to see if we can catch some fish.
How many poles you got?
Look, I'm loaded up. We're not messing around. We're not trying to waste time here. I'm all tangled up. I'm gonna throw this crankbait. Where are we?
Bucks.
What's happening here? Oh!
Photography permitted. No flash.
Full damage.
I'm gonna try to double stab him in the brain.
Damn it. Wow.
She's an outdoorsman.
A lot of spinners over there. Just movies where someone gets pushed over the edge and then they conk their way down.
Julie got fish, but it got stuck under the stick.
Oh, come on.
She got one.
You're breaking my heart.
What? I got it out. They all have that same hair part. Oh, it is pretty wild.
It's a neat little tabletop.
Yeah.
8 piercing damage.
Your claws come down and his legs just go. Julie dropped her phone. Julie has resorted to tricking him into a net. Got a little bluey. See you, buddy. I tried to hit the camera.
Oh, thanks. Break my phone.
Look who's hiding right back here. All in all, it was a good trip, but you know, we're back. We've been working on the van. This, you can see the bathroom area looks different, and that's because
it has walls.
It has walls now. But before we got started, on this bathroom, which hopefully will be done, you know, by the beginning of next week. We took the van and weighed it.
What's happening?
All right, we're on our way to the pilot to weigh ourselves. We've done some research. Next to this airport is this certified scale, and it says do not enter, so I've got to go around the back end. All right, so we just went through this whole thing of installing this app and making an account with Weigh My Truck. We're gonna hop on there and see what it says.
Approaching.
Communicating with scale equipment. Tractor number, trailer number.
What do you do? Just say number 1?
Yeah, 001.
$13.
Accept. There it is. Steer axle, drive axle, gross 7,640.
We did it.
That easy.
We did it, guys.
All right, so let's do some math. Let me look in this handy dandy user manual. Look it's brand new. It looks so vintage now. I wonder who did that. Was it you? As you can see, Relly has a fresh new cut. And that's because he's a burr hound. You can see in his little beard here, he even has little remnants of some right there on the side of his face. Burr. He comes back every day with burrs stuck in his hair, and it was just so much we had to shave him. And now he looks like a little
naked
baby lamb. Now, we weren't sure how much weight we have already introduced to the van with the build, but we also know that we have probably a couple hundred more pounds to go. We're very close to being done, but there's a few things that we need to add in there, and that's not even including all of our gear and filling our water tanks.
Kitchen.
Food. So we weighed the vehicle in.
Slippers.
At how much?
7,640 pounds.
And it says here in the handy dandy chewed up booklet that our max permissible gross weight can be 8,550 pounds. So if you subtract what we have our weight at and what we can be allowed, what is that? 900?
910 pounds is what we have left to go.
So
which is terrifying.
Yeah, especially since we don't have any water in our tanks right now, and we have large water tanks.
Worst case scenario, if we had a full fresh water and a full gray water, it's about 600 pounds of water.
My original van was built for one person. This van, I intentionally built it for 2. And that means more water and a bigger electrical setup and bigger gray water tank. Everything's just a bit bigger sink. You know, all those things add up. So we reached out to Raptor Liner and asked them how much does a gallon weigh of their paint and how many gallons would we need to coat our entire van. And they got back to us and said that we'd probably need between 5 and 6. They weigh around 12 pounds a piece. So altogether, that'd be 70 pounds at the most.
Yeah, 72 at the most.
72, see that fast math? So good. Which isn't crazy, but again, all of those things add up. So we're debating on whether we should move forward with the bed liner approach or should we rethink it. And that's why we wanted to make this video in the first place. It was kind of just to show, here's our ideas. Does anyone out there have any better ideas that are affordable and feasible within the time frame that we have here and our capabilities? And I'm not looking for people to be like, you're dumb, it's too heavy. We knew it was gonna be too heavy. You put too many things in that van. It's a van. It's not supposed to be completely luxury. We are open to any helpful suggestions and I guess any mean comments, that's cool too. It's engagement, we need it. Let us know. Let it rip. Okay, if you made it this far, we appreciate you sticking around and watching. And if you didn't, oh well, you clicked on it already anyways.
Gotcha.
See you guys later.
Bye. What do you think about his mustache?
It's more of a comical thing at this point. I'm just leaving it for comic relief.
What if I had a mustache? I'm Italian. I hear Italian women get mustaches and whiskers.